Far from the hustle and the bustle of the city life, built on a lush and expansive 66-acre campus at Bishnupur, Bankura in West Bengal, Mallabhum Institute of Technology is recognized as one of the finest private engineering colleges of West Bengal. Its calm and serene campus creates a perfect ambience for education. We are Department of Electrical Engineering. Electrical engineering is the largest and the most diversified technological fields in the world. The department started its academic activities and academic functions from 2002. The main USP of our department as well as our college is to make our students academically fit and employable. We have dedicated and experienced faculties with expertise in power systems, power electronics, machines, and drives. Our laboratories are well established not only to cover the syllabus but to motivate the students to learn beyond the syllabus. Regular workshops and seminars are conducted for both students and faculties to keep them aware of the modern technological advancements. Industrial visits and guest lecturers helps to make the students industry ready. It actually bridges the gap between theoretical learning and practical learning in a real life environment. I am about to give you a small overview of the electrical engineering laboratories. First and foremost is the basic electrical lab, which is a part of the first year curriculum. You can have a view of it. In this particular lab, you will come across experiments related to your theory papers, which will help you understand them in the most convenient manner. You need to verify theorems such as Thevenin, superposition, Norton, maximum power theorem practically. Also, there are experiments related to transformers and DC machines, which helps the students to study the characteristics of such machines and give a clear idea of their characteristics. Next, I would like to show you our very well equipped machine lab. For an electrical engineer, machine lab is as important as the subject itself. The main objective of the machine lab is to provide the students a chance to put their theory knowledge into practice. Here they get familiar with the DC machines, transformers, synchronous machines, induction machines, and many more. Here they sharpen their practical skills, which makes them compatible in industrial fields. The next lab which you are going to see is the power system lab. As the name goes, the subject deals with transmission and distribution of the power from the generation to the consumer end in the most economical manner via the transmission and distribution lines. In the power system lab, the students learn the working and the characteristics of different types of protective relay. Also, certain testing kits are there to test the dielectric strength of insulating oil and paper, load test of alternators, and many more. Power system is also an important paper for the electrical engineers, and it is included in the third year curriculum. Now let us move on to our next lab, that is circuit theory and control systems lab. Both the lab is software based, so we need computers to carry out the experiments, as well as certain softwares are also required. namely MATLAB and SPSpice. We have a well-equipped laboratory for the same over here. In this lab, the students are thoroughly trained in programming and design because control system is all about designing systems with desired outputs. This makes the students industry ready. Next in the series is the measurement lab. This lab is included in the second year curriculum. There are various kits such as de Sauty bridge, Anderson bridge, Wyan's bridge, Wheatstone bridge, energy meter kit, 3-phase power measurement kit, and various other calibration kits for the measurement of different electrical and electronic parameters such as voltage, current, power, energy, inductance, capacitance. Here the students also get familiar with the instrument transformers, which is a measurement entity in power plants. Next in the series is the drives lab. The subject drives is a conjunction point where the knowledge of machine, power electronics, control systems and power systems combine. For an electrical engineer to be industry ready, he should be well groomed in automation, which is the demand of the industry nowadays. Hence, this is, as you can see, well-equipped laboratory where you can sharpen your skills to prepare yourself for the future. So, this was a short tour of the laboratories. Hope you liked it. We at Mallabhum Institute of Technology believe in delivering quality education through interactive sessions, and seminars on national and international levels are also organized. We also encourage our students in taking part in co-curricular activities as we continually strive for moral and academic enrichment in creating future scholars and professionals. Thank you and good luck for your future. And most importantly, stay home, stay safe. And please help the government to end the pandemic, that is coronavirus.